flour, eggs, and sugar. Okay, let's find it. Yeah.
Sorry, I'm slow. But asthma. Are not needed for ours. Cooking is just for our playing fun.
Because we ran out.
I use that lip sometimes and I use chopstick.
Ew, for your crusty lips. Sugar,
Eggs,
vanilla extract, flour, cream of tartar, baking soda, cinnamon.
and then margarine.
Okay, put those over there, and then we're done.
He's 22.
Are you gonna shoot your shot, Sophie?
Hi.
This is Sophie. Welcome to Cooking with the Galons.
2 of them.
2 things. That was 4. 1, I know what you're thinking. We look pretty good for the day after Thanksgiving. Second thing, we are currently filming in our kitchen, and this is a house of 6 people. So if you hear some random noises, it's them.
Let's get started.
Let's get started.
I cannot touch my phone. Because I just touch my hands.
Hurry up! Okay, so we have to preheat the oven at 350 degrees, which we have already done. What's the other? We need a whole cup of unsalted butter softened. So here's the issue. I thought this would be a whole cup, but it's only half a cup. So this is the only unsalted butter we have. So the other half cup will be from this, and we just won't add the extra salt that like you're supposed to add. So hopefully that's okay. Improvising. This is a half a cup.
This is a half cup.
I know, but this whole thing is half a cup of unsalted butter. So we're gonna have this whole thing, and then on that other one, we're gonna add the extra butter that we.
That's so much better.
I know.
I'll put it in the microwave.
But you're only gonna put it for a little bit, okay?
I don't know. I've done this before.
Now what we're gonna do is add the sugar. It's gonna be 1.5 cups of sugar. So this is our. The butter one is our sugar container too. So we're gonna open this, and since it's half a cup only, we're gonna put 3 of those. Okay, Sophie? Are you gonna hold it?
Ooh.
Oh, is that pretty good? Okay,
Gorgeous.
dump that in, and then let's do another one. Now, now start stirring it. See if you can get the butter to. You're gonna make it. It said light and fluffy.
Well, it's kind of just a spoon, but I can manage. I make cookies one time.
Sometime.
That one time they burnt, but I still made them.
What's the technique you're using, Sophie?
Well,
Here, scoot in so they can see.
first you have to make sure that the clumps of butter are not too clumpy so that it can mix together. Then you just mix together.
So I'm gonna do the eggs. Here, you babe. You do the eggs. You can put it inside that 1.5 thing. Yeah.
Cracking eggs are my specialties. Lightly.
What a technique!
That one was a little rough, but sometimes you have to learn from your mistakes.
Okay, I'm gonna need your help because these nails. Also, my nails are really ratchet. I lasted through most of Thanksgiving, and then I chopped these 2 off, and I haven't gotten my eyelashes done, so they're looking a little ratchet. We're just overall really suffering today.
I think they really need to know that. Sorry you guys had to hear that.
I put 2 of these. Okay.
Smells pretty good.
And then I think you're supposed to mix it again.
With the spoon.
Yeah, you said the spoon. It's clean. Oh my god, be careful.
I didn't know that was gonna happen. I'm just a little picaro.
We just got the all-purpose flour because it didn't specify as to what kind. Make sure you get all the clumps out.
the process.
What?
You're making a mess.
Shut up and keep stirring.
It's all in the wrist. You just have to be patient.
So that's 1 cup, and then here's a 3/4.
Are they all flour?
Yeah, all this is flour.
Okay.
And so I'm gonna do 1 more cup.
Ooh.
We need 1/2 teaspoon of baking sodas. I think that's pretty good for 1/2 teaspoon of it. And then what else are we gonna do? And then 1.5 teaspoons of
We
cream.
have to make the
of tart.
sugar mixture.
Yeah, we'll make that after. You actually did a really good job. It looks good.
Why are you surprised? It looks so soft right now.
Ew, no one's gonna want to eat it now.
So now we're gonna put some cream tartare in it to add some more texture.
Yeah.
Creamy.
Wow. Look at the texture.
Look at that, it's so creamy.
Ew, I don't think you're supposed to do it that hard.
I was just doing it for the show.
Oh, okay.
But before, I'm pretty gentle.
Now we're gonna take another bowl.
Are we gonna make the sugar stuff in there?
Yeah, so I think we're supposed to put balls of the stuff in the sugar and then put it over there.
It's so good.
And if time allows, wrap the dough in the refrigerator for 20 to 30 minutes. Do you want to let it sit in the fridge for 20 to 30 minutes?
No, can we have a little?
No! It serves 24 cookies.
Yeah! 24 divided by 6 is 4. So we each get 4. Hi, I'm an ultra. How about you? I knew that I knew that from the top of my head.
Yep. This is going to be a 4th cup of sugar and 1.5 tablespoons of cinnamon. So 1.5 tablespoons, a tablespoon.
It looks like pizza dough. No, it doesn't.
It looks really cool though.
It does look pretty good. Gotta admit, so myself.
Okay.
Is this
pretty
going to
good.
mix into this?
That's going to go into here, then we're going to put it in there. Okay, so now we can unroll these. Okay, I'm going to clean this real quick just so we have more room. I'm going to spray it with some Pam. Okay.
Pam spelled backwards is Mac, just for everyone.
In case you didn't know.
She does not know what she's doing. Me, on the other hand, I've been cooking for a while. What did you
I'm going
do?
to add butter to my hands because I'm not done.
And you didn't tell me.
I did.
Sabotage.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do.
You literally, okay, you put butter on my hand.
Ew, it's so sticky. Are you too? Oh, maybe it's you're supposed to not put butter, you're supposed to put flour on your hands. Here, just grab a little bit of that.
I cannot put, can you put it in my hands? Wait, Abigail.
Fail.
It's not a fail unless you make it a fail.
I'm gonna let you do this. It's getting under my nails. It's disgusting. No one wants cookies with nail under them.
Okay, so what am I supposed to do?
Make it into little balls.
And put it on here?
And put it in the mixture. There goes one cookie.
23 cookies left.
And then mix it in there.
Whoa!
Like, whoa! It's not really a ball.
Okay, mix it now because I think it's sticky. Like it's like better consistency.
Okay. And then we're
Oh, it's a little brown ball. This is a little bit more thick because it's mine. And I want a thick one because that's yummy.
That one's gonna be huge! Sophie!
That was mine. I'm excited. Interesting.
Okay.
That's a title.
Okay.
We died because of our Snickerdoodle.
Oh, what?
Snickerdoodle.
Snickerdoodle.
When she bakes. Aw. Let's name the cookies. As we go on. This one's Patricia. No! That one, the thick one was Patricia. This one's gonna be, you gotta name this one.
Dan.
Basic? Sorry if your name Dan. Anyone watching, I'm not being mean to you, I'm just calling my sister Basic because we love all Dans.
This one would fit probably like 8.
4. I cannot believe we found
Bigfoot?
no small
Oh my
foot.
god.
Okay, first things first, I need to say my inspirational message.
Hurry up, 'cause it's gonna die soon.
Okay, I got a 56 on my algebra test on super accident because I think the teacher graded it wrong. So I got a 56 and I was like, oh man, I got put in tutoring. It was a really emotional moment for me. But then on the next one, I got a 91. And that's just like, hey, you can do anything. If I got 91 on an algebra test, you can do anything. That's all I gotta say. Also, we were supposed to have 23 cookies, but we have 14 right now. That's all I have to say. 2/3.
Whoa.
Math in the kitchen with Sophia Galore.
Let's just use that for like...
That's on my glasses. Now you have to clean my glasses. Okay, that's mean. Because that's like, I just got a facial and now I'm gonna break out. Not the cinnamon, I have asthma. Mom's bad. Not keep this out of my head, no! Oh.
You're so dumb. And then just flatten it.
Oh, just like
Just the center, yeah.
Oh.
That one's pretty. Be in there for... Bake for 9 to 11. I'm gonna put this one in like this, so the other one fits in. Okay, and it's 4:53, so at 5:03 is when we'll turn it off, okay?
Some of the cinnamon came off. Some of them are a little bit pale.
Oh no, so we should add more sugar?
Yeah. Yeah, it's fine.
Wait.
Hi.
How long has it been, Sophie?
11 minutes.
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Yeah, and it smells really good, but we definitely needed to add more sugar and cinnamon on it.
It's just a little bit.
They're also huge. It's really good though. Are they too doughy?
They look so funny looking.
We need to add more cinnamon and sugar. Let me see, give me like a fork or something.
Okay, hold on. Take that one out. That one looks really good.
Yeah, this one looks a lot better. This one also was our first one, so I think we were filming a lot. Are they okay? Like actually?
They're good. But for next time, we should put a little more vanilla extract.
She's a chef now.